Hey, so the first problems that we're going to be going over is the first one I have pulled up here is from your number one. So you start off, and in 1A, you found the new coordinate point. So they gave you 3, 2, and -7, -9. You found that exactly halfway in between was -2, comma -3.5. Now, in letter B, they want to know what is the distance between this point, between point A and that middle point, or you could also do the distance between point B and that point. You could choose either one because it's the midpoint. So distance from B to my midpoint is equivalent to from A to my midpoint. So what I'm going to do to find the distance between those 2 points, I'm choosing point A in the midpoint. So I'm going to use my distance formula. So I am going to plug in the information that I see from the problem here. So I'll redraw my radical sign. And we have x2 minus x1. x2 I like stating where I ended. So my x2 has a value of -2. And then minus x1. I started at a value of 3. So -3. And we'll square that. So I plug those values in, just like that. And then the same thing for y. My y, I'm going to say that I ended at -3.5 minus, where did I start? I started at y1. y1, my initial value was 2. So -2. And that difference will be squared. Okay. So then I just need to do the math on this a little bit. So this is going to be equal, I'll do the parentheses. -2 minus 3 is -5. And that'll be squared. And then plus -3.5 minus 2, that will be -5.5 squared. Okay. So we've got those things. And then, so -5 squared, that is going to be 25. And then plus 5.5 or -5.5 squared is going to be 30.25. That is going to be a total value of 55.25. And so when I put that in my calculator, I get an answer of 7.43. 55.2. And that equals my distance. So my distance between those 2 points is going to be 7.43. So between A and my midpoint is 7.43. And then also between B and my midpoint is 7.43. I rounded to 2 decimal places, just so you know, the decimal was longer than that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.